Hello and welcome to Hand Yoga. I'm Heidi Parkes, and today we are focusing on rotations. We're going to begin with some very gentle internal rotations. This is an internal rotation with straight elbows because we're beginning with fingers facing up, then coming inside towards each other, down, around and out, and repeat. Your hands can be down near your sides, forward at an angle, or your arms can be parallel to the earth. See what feels good for you. If you like the extra challenge of strengthening that comes with arms forward, or if you like something more gentle pointed towards the earth. We'll pause for a moment, noticing the effects, feeling that in the wrist. And now we'll take an external rotation, starting up, outward, externally, down, and then internally. You can also play with the speed that you do these rotations. You can try to go very slow, perhaps exhaling and rotating down, inhaling and rotating up. And again, we'll rest. Resting is so important to learn what happened to our body in the movement. Our next set of rotations, we're going to apply a little bit of pressure. So we want to find a set of wrinkles on the wrist. We'll count 3 fingers away from that wrinkle. We'll place our thumb down. From here, I'm going to gently apply pressure. So I'm not squeezing super hard. I can always increase that pressure, but I want to make sure I'm being gentle as I begin. So some gentle pressure, and then I can rotate. And let's begin with a counterclockwise rotation. That's helpful for letting go of things. So as though my fingers were brushing a clock, they're brushing that clock counterclockwise. I can begin to see if it feels good to apply more pressure. This is creating a massage for my wrist, for the forearm, but I'm not massaging by pressing the wrist so much as I am by moving my joints. We'll shift now to a clockwise rotation. And I might want to press more gently now as I change directions, exploring the difference in how this side feels. You can also explore other directions, up and down, the tiniest of rotations, side to side. And I'll release and pause to feel the difference between both sides. Noticing the effects of giving the massage as well as the effects of receiving it. And now for the other hand, again, I'm going to find those wrinkles. Find 3 fingers away, press down my thumb, and gently, very gently squeeze. Again, I'm going to begin counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is a direction for letting go, releasing. It's connected to sleep, the moon, the feminine, anything that's restoring and letting go of. I'm continuing to adjust that pressure, being responsive to how my body feels. And now I'll rotate clockwise. Clockwise is a direction of the sun, of daytime, of activity. It's a direction that infuses energy and prana into our bodies. It's very activating. We'll rest again, pausing to feel, maybe just wiggling, shaking the hands out here a little bit to release. And thank you for joining me for Hand Yoga. I'm Heidi Parkes, and in the comments for this video, In the description, you will see a link to my 30 days of hand yoga challenge. Thank you. I hope you're well.